Materialistic things aren't really what contributes to their life. It's not what they're working for. Most people are actually working so they can go and experience life. So coming from Machu Picchu today, let's talk about working to live instead of working to just simply impress other people. Of course, you want to reward yourself. There are people out there, unfortunately, that will post things and make it sound like fancy car, fancy clothes, big house is what it's all about. When you travel to other countries and you talk to other people, what you'll realize is these materialistic things aren't really what contributes to their life. It's not what they're working for. Most people are actually working so they can go and experience life. They'll pay for experiences, not necessarily things. There are things that can give you an experience that maybe are materialistic as well. The F.I.R.E 488 that I just purchased is a great example of that. But in speaking to our guide just recently, what he was talking about is basically he works his butt off for months and months and months, and then will take 3 months off simply just to travel around the world. And that you'll see that a lot. And most Europeans will actually go out and they will spend the majority of their money on experiences, traveling 30, 40 countries, where you find Americans, what do we have? Big house, more cars, more stuff. So you gotta think about it, deciding what kind of life you want. Do you want to work just to buy stuff to impress other people, basically spending all your time working? Or would you rather work and invest that in experiences? You only live once, you can't take it with you. Think about it.